Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are exploring a topic that affects all of us, that is salt. We all love the flavor it adds to our food, but have you ever wondered what happens when you eat too much of it? Well, you're in for a surprise. In this video, we will uncover the shocking effects of consuming excessive salt and how it impacts your body. So, grab a seat, and let's dive in. Before moving ahead, request you to please like, comment, and subscribe for more important and informative videos like this. Number 1. The salt paradox. Did you know that salt is both a necessity and a danger? It's true. Salt is crucial for our bodies to function properly, but it can also wreak havoc when we go overboard. The sodium in salt helps with muscle contractions, nerve impulses, and hydration. However, consuming more salt than our bodies need can lead to a variety of health issues. This is what we are going to explore today. Number 2. Immediate symptoms. First, let's talk about the immediate symptoms of eating too much salt. You might have experienced some of these without even realizing it. Increased thirst, swollen hands or feet, and occasional headaches are among the common signs. These symptoms occur due to salt's effect on your body's fluid balance and blood pressure. But don't worry, they usually subside quickly. Number 3. The ongoing struggle. Now, let's explore what happens inside your body when you overload your kidneys with salt. When your kidneys can't eliminate the excess sodium, it begins to accumulate. In response, your body tries to dilute the sodium by retaining water, leading to increased blood volume and fluid retention. This explains the excessive thirst, bloating, and rise in blood pressure associated with consuming too much salt. Number 4. The strain on vital organs. The consequences of excessive salt intake go beyond the immediate symptoms. Over time, the strain caused by the accumulation of salt can harm your vital organs. Increased blood volume puts pressure on your heart, increasing the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even strokes. Your kidneys, responsible for regulating sodium levels, can suffer from the added pressure, leading to kidney disease and the formation of kidney stones. Number 5. Setting the limits. So, how much salt is too much? According to research, consuming no more than 2,300 milligrams of salt per day, which is about a teaspoon. The excessive salt intake has become ingrained in our taste buds, making it challenging to reduce our consumption. But fear not, we will discuss some strategies later on. Number 6. Unseen dangers. Apart from the immediate and visible symptoms, excessive salt consumption can have hidden dangers. Poor sleep quality can be a surprising consequence of a high-salt diet. Consuming salt before bed can disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to restlessness and waking up frequently during the night. Additionally, feeling weak and experiencing stomach discomfort are other less well-known effects of eating too much salt. Number 7. Making healthier choices. Now that we understand the detrimental effects of excessive salt, let's discuss how to make healthier choices. Limiting processed and packaged foods, which are often high in sodium, is a great place to start. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, and experiment with herbs and spices to enhance flavor without relying on salt. By adopting these simple changes, you can take control of your salt intake and improve your overall well-being. Thank you guys for watching. Please do support me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.